everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a little letter and sound spelling today and do a little question just like we wrote the other day, so we'll get some good practice with that question mark again. So before we start, let's practice those digraphs. The more we practice, the faster we learn them. So friends, we have a WH, whistle, wah, you go. Great job, all right. And then we have CK, sock, k. Awesome job. TH, thumb. Great job. And sometimes, remember, it doesn't say, it says, good work. All right, now we have CH, chin, ch. Good work. Okay, and last one, SH, ship, sh. Great job. Good work with that. I'm sure you practiced those this morning with the digraph or the alphabet chant warm-up. So good job. The more you practice, the faster you learn them. Remember that. Okay, today I'm going to use the letter tiles when we're spelling two words just to warm up, and then I'll use my marker and I'll do the sentence right along with you. So go ahead and grab your paper like you used the other day, your dry erase marker. You can pause me and then we'll jump in together in just a second. All right. So excited to be back with you guys today. I kind of feel like I'm in the classroom right now. When I have my easel, I have you guys over there. Makes me feel really good. All right, friends, we're going to warm up with the word rich. Rich, rich. What do we think that first sound when I said R? What do you think? R, good work. You can go ahead and write an R on your paper. I'm gonna grab the letter tile. I'll put it right up here. All right, R-I. Which vowel says I? Oh, I just gave you a clue. I have a little itch on under my chin. Good job. R-I. Ch. Which digraph says ch? CH, chin. Good job. Where's my Z? I was trying to grab my CK. What was I thinking? All right. There's the word rich. 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 Awesome job. All right, let me spell it away. Rich. All right, let's spell one more word just to get warmed up, and then we'll make a question. I can't wait to see our question marks today. So I'm going to try to throw a doozy at you. Let's see how well you do with this next word. It doesn't have two digraphs, but there's something funny about one of the words, and I'm curious if you can remember. The word is quack, like the sound a duck makes, quack. I'm going to tap it out, then I'm going to pause and let you write it, because I don't want to give anything away. All right, and then we'll go over it. So quack. 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 All right, so I'm going to pause a second. You can even pause your screen if you need longer. I'm going to have you start writing. Quack. All right, I'm going to do the first sound. If you need more time, you can keep your screen paused. So that first sound I tapped out was qua, qua. What letter or letters makes the qua sound? Did anybody say Q-U? The Q, actually the Q all by itself says the qua sound, but we learned that there are no words that I could spell with a Q that doesn't have a U with it. So we kind of learn it as one letter, but the letter really is just Q. We just say Q-U, so we remember to write it. All right, so I have Q-U for qua. A was the vowel. What do we think for A? A, good work. I get off my seat here. All right, qua, A, and then my final sound is k. Quack. Do I think it's a C? Do I think it's a K? Or do I think it's a CK? CK. How'd you know? Is it because it's at the end of a word? I heard the K sound. Good job. Usually it's a CK at the end of a word. Good job. Ooh, look at that fancy word we just spelled. Quack, quack. All right, let's spell away, and I'm going to get ready with my marker for our sentence. Qua, a. Great job. I'm going to get my handy dandy marker over here. All right. And friends, I told you we're going to do another question today, just so we can practice writing a question mark. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. All right. Here's the sentence. It's a little bit longer today, but that's okay. Did the dog lick the dish? Did the dog lick the dish? My goodness, that's a silly question. Let's count out how many words are in that sentence. Did the dog lick the dish? Ooh, 6 this time. All right, let's jump right on in and do this thing. So my first word is did. Did. I don't know what I was just doing with my fingers. I didn't tap them out. Did. What do we think? I'm going to start with the D. Now, I better not jump right into it and make a lowercase d. What should I do? The beginning of a sentence. Should I make it uppercase? Probably should. All right. So let's start up at that skyline and let's go down to grass. And then we're going to go right back up it one more time and we're going to give it a big old bump down to the grass line. Boy, I feel like I haven't made an uppercase D in a long time. The marker looks really light on the screen. I think I'm going to change it to a darker one. What other darker colors do I have here? Let's see if green will show up any better. Is that better? Oh, a little bit. Okay. So, what vowel is that? I. Good work. I don't like this marker either. I have to grab my black one. Let's try this. 3rd time's the charm. All right. So the I goes from plain to grass. Give it a dot. Beautiful job. Make sure your dot isn't too big, or else remember it looks like a big old meatball and nobody knows what you're doing. It looks really strange. D. I hear another D. This time I'm going to use my lowercase d and I'm going to make sure I do a doorknob and a door, a doorknob and a door. So first I need the bump. So actually, this one's nice because it's a C that turns into a D. So let's make a C that turns into a D. Good job. Did the. Oh, that one's easy. T-H-E, the. It's one of our words. Let's leave a finger space and we're going to say T. I know we did a T the other day. H goes from sky to grass. Give it a hump at the plane line. And the E. I know E's goofy. E, I always start halfway between the plane and the grass and make a little starter dot if you need it. And then remember, you just make a line and swoop up and make a C. Did the dog, D-A-G, dog. I know you're used to seeing dog in a lot of your books that you're reading lately. So it starts with D. What do we think? D, lowercase d, right? Awesome. And we just made a doorknob and a door. So I get to do it all over again. All right, start at that plain line. Let's make a C that turns into a D. D, ah. What do we think? Ah. We have a vowel that doesn't quite make a ah sound, but it makes a ah sound. What do we think? O, D, ah, G. G. G's can be a little goofy. Good news, it's kind of like an A, and then we just make a tail for it down at the worm line. So let's start a C. That turns into an O, turns into an A for just a minute, and then I'm going to swoop down to the worm line and give it a hook. Great job. Did the dog lick? Well, you saw my tongue sticking out for, oh, what letter is that? Oh, L, good job. Make sure you're using your finger spaces at home. That's really important, or else your words get mushy and nobody knows what you're writing, and you want everyone to read what you're saying. It's important. Did the dog lick? Ooh. How about which vowel says I? I. Good job. Ooh. Ick. Ooh. Ooh. Ick. Is it a C? Is it a K? Or is it a CK? CK goes at the end of the word. Good job. All right, I'm going to go from plain to grass. And I'm going to go from, ooh, K's. K's are goofy. I'm going to go from sky down to grass for my K. There's the first part. Now the next part's about halfway in between the plain and the grass line. I'm going to do one diagonal up. I'm going to do one diagonal down. Good work. Did the dog lick the, ooh, we already wrote the. Awesome, I'll give you a minute to write the, and I'll write the. All right. Did the dog lick the, I'm going to go down here to my next line, dish. D-I-sh. What do I have again? D. My goodness, this is the third D we're making. 1, 2, 3, 4th. This is our 4th D. Who came up with this sentence with all these D's? All right. We know it's a C that turns into a D. Awesome. D-I. Which vowel says I? I. Good work. And finally, D-ish. Which digraph says shh? S-H. Remember, S starts at plain. It does a little mini C, and then it swoops the other way. Great job. And my H goes from sky to grass. Give it a hump. Now, we talked the other day, if we have a question, we can't end the sentence with a period. That's just a normal talking sentence. A question needs a question mark. Did the dog lick the dish? It's a question. So question marks are goofy, but I'll help you through it. We're going to start up at the skyline, and we're going to do a backward C down to the plain line. So a backward C down to the plain line, and eventually you won't pick up your marker. I just did it so you can see what I'm doing. So skyline down to the plain line, and then I'm going to make a straight line to the grass line. And the last finishing touch is a little dot, just like a period. It's just a little bit below the line. There you go. There's your question mark. Did the dog lick the dish? Probably, especially if it's their food dish. Or, geez, maybe it's a dish on the kitchen table. Oh, that wouldn't be a good thing. What if it's a dish? What if it's your dish? Oh, disgusting. All right, friends, it was great seeing you again today. I miss you, but guess what? I kind of feel like I'm with you right now because we have our easel and I have you and you're helping me spell all these words and sentences and stuff. So I guess it's better than nothing, right? I'll take it. All right, friends, see you again soon.